In this episode, we have 1. A cool raindrop splatter. 2. A well-known sailor man who eats spinach. And 3. A beach body workout custom. And for you new customizers, stick around to the end for our bonus content where we touch on what tools do you need to start customizing. Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Orlando. Welcome to Wall of Hype, where we showcase artists that can take plain kicks like Air Force Ones, Jordans, cleats, Vans, and turn them into customs that sneakerheads love. But before I start, please hit that like and subscribe button if you're new. We have links to all featured artists and their work in the description below. Our first goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, let's get started. In our first project, we have designer Wavy kick Fitz. The shoe, an Air Jordan 1. The design, Air Jordan 1 Mid Rain. Now take a look at this. We got what looks to be a fluorescent colorway with the blue and the purple. But what made this stand out for me was the raindrops. You have that different texture or a different feel that's on those color blocks. And when you take a closer look at the shoe and the design, it's a unique way to use the splatter effect, but with those complementary colors. You know, look at the swoosh. You have the blue on the purple. And then when you look at the rest of the color blocks, whether it's on the toe, the heel, the upper, you have the blue and then you have the purple splatter. Genius. It's a beautiful, clean, not over the top look that I just love. And then taking the next step of coloring the Air Jordan logo was just a great touch added just to keep it clean and simple. The concept looks like a shoe that you can just pull right off the shelf and that Jordan brand can sell anywhere. So Wavy kicks Fitz, great job. I've noticed on your page, this is one of your signatures. It's beautiful. Keep up the great work. Our next project comes from Custom by G. The shoe, the Nike Kyrie 6. The design, a Popeye design shoe. Now, I grew up watching Popeye. One of my favorite movies was Popeye by Robin Williams. If you haven't checked that out, please do. It's a great rendition or take on the Popeye character. But this shoe, you can just tell, took time to get those clean lines, to get that starburst behind Popeye, and then just reworking the color work on this. You know, what's also cool about it is you have the anchor, you have the ship wheel on the toe, and then, you know, just the design of Popeye with his strong arm, pipe clean. It's just a beautiful piece of work. In my mind, I never thought I'd see Popeye on a shoe, let alone a basketball shoe. But with how things are going these days, I'm not surprised to catch any design on a shoe. This shoe by Custom by G touched me, caught my eye from the start, wanted to make sure I shared. It's just beautiful. Here we have another shoe by Judy Wright, SQ Customs. Big fan of her artwork. We have two shoes here. We have a Nike Mamba Fury and a Nike Air Zoom BB NXT. The design, a beach body Shaun T original that will be showcased in his latest program, Let's Get Up. Big fan of Shaun T and Beachbody and the things that they do. And then in this design, you can see it fits Shaun T to the T, no pun intended. You got the purples, the pink, the black. It's the tie-dye. It's the workout gear that everyone wears and use to get hyped, to get moving, and just have fun. Shaun T's programs are all fun, but serious, sweat, moving, getting the job done. For the Nike, for the BB NXT, you got Let's Get Up on the side heels, on the back, and then you got the same feel for that Shaun T, exciting energy, tie-dye all over the shoe. So this is a great custom by SQ Customs. Can't wait to see it on Shaun T when he debuts in his program, Let's Get Up. Great work as always, Judy. Happy to see a collaboration with Shaun T and Beachbody. Now on to the bonus content. For you guys who are just starting out and want to know what you need to start customizing, well, here you go. We need 1. Leather specific paint, 2. Paintbrush, 3. Tape, 4. A deglazer, 5. A finisher, and 6. A heat gun or blow dryer. Now, there's many more things that you need if you want to start going down the rabbit hole of customizing, whether it's an airbrush, stencils, different paint colors. The list goes on and on. But to get started and dip your toes into the water, these are the basic things that you need to start customizing. If you're going to start doing fabrics like canvas on Vans, you'll need one more thing. You'll need a softener. But outside of all of that, if you're painting sneakers, Jordans, Air Force Ones, you name it, the leather paints is a great way to start. When I started painting, I started off with a kit just like this, and then I started to add so many things. It just got crazy. The art is beautiful and the knowledge goes deep. If you guys have any other suggestions that I'm missing that should be added to this list, please comment below and let us know. For me, this was the simple start that ended with so many paints, so many tapes, buying everything just so I can start customizing. That's it for this video. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to help out the channel. Comment below and let us know if the bonus content was helpful or which one of these custom kicks is your favorite. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video from Wall of Hype.